Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter issues. To know how to find a solution about Twitter, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Twitter app. Then this page we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. You will go to Play Store. If you'll find here in this blue sign updates, then you can click to update your app, and or you can just go to uninstall here, and you can wait a moment to install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.